Hi dear students, welcome to our channel, Panindra Math Classes. In this video, we are discussing about integration, integrals, CBSE class 12, integral by parts, integration by parts. We are going to do that, dear students. Hi, how are you? So in integral, we reached a very important concept, that is integrals, integration by parts. We reach to integration by parts. While solving the problems in integration, integral by parts is one of the important concept to evaluate the integrals in indefinite integration. To follow, to do the type of problems, we have to follow the Eilert rule. So what is the meaning of Eilert rule, dear students? In this, I indicates inverse trigonometric functions like sine inverse, sin h inverse, cos inverse, etc. L represents logarithmic, log x, log of ax plus b, and so on, like this, etc. A represents algebraic x, 2x plus 3, ax plus b, and so on, like this, etc. functions. Here T represents trigonometric, sin x, tan x, cos x, and so on, etc. Whatever 6 trigonometry are there, no? If you come to last one, exponential, e power x, a power x, and e power x plus b, a power 2x plus 3, like these functions are there, dear students. To evaluate the integrals of the types, we will have to follow Eilert rule. For example, here I am taking example, integral x e power x into dx. Integral x into sin x into dx. To solve these type of problems, we need to take the help of Eilert rule. Here, product of two functions in integration. In that, which function you have to take the first function, which function you have to take the second function. See here, x is related to algebraic function, e power x is related to exponential function. In Eilert rule, algebraic is coming first function, exponential coming last function. First function indicates as f, second function indicates as z. This is the first function, this is the second function. Now onwards, you remember, first function always represented as f, second function represented as z. Now come to another example. Integral x into sin x dx. Integral x into, x is belongs to algebraic, sin x belongs to trigonometric. Again, you have to go Eilert rule in that algebraic is coming first, trigonometric is coming next. So this is f of x, this is g of x. So this is the first function, this is the second function. So other than this, what type of questions will come to the exam? Suppose if you are evaluating integral log x dx, integral sine inverse x into dx, integral cos inverse x tan inverse x into dx, only single function log x, and inverse trigonometry functions. Only log x, logarithmic function single, and inverse trigonometry function single. To evaluate these type of problems, we have to go one method, that is integral log x into 1 you have to consider, dear students. For this also, sin inverse x into 1 dx. Next, integral cosine inverse x into 1 dx. After that, in these two logarithmics, whatever the function is there, that you can take as first function, 1 you have to take as second function. So this is the first function, this is the second function. Even here also, to evaluate these type of integrals, this is the first function, this is the next function, second function. So first one, second one. Inverse trigonometry by using Euler, no. Euler formula, logarithmics and inverse will become first. Here only logarithmic is there, no, that's why we are taking as first function. And here, this is f of x, this is g of x, first function, second function. I hope you understand the clarity on that while solving the product of two functions in integration. So what is integration by parts formula? Integral by parts formula. Integral f of x into g of x into dx is equal to f of x into integral g of x dx minus integral f dash of x into integral g of x dx whole dx. Okay, dear students, this is the way, this is integration by parts formula. Integration by parts. By using this formula, we are going to apply number of problems, dear students. Okay. Yeah, we'll see that examples. So this is the way we can do that, students. This is Euler formula. Euler formula, it is very important one. Euler. Yeah, we'll move to the exercise. Yeah, I'm going to write this. You remember this formula. We'll come to exercise 7.6. We will enter into exercise 7.6. All the information I have given. Now we will move to the question. Exercise 7.6. In that question number 1, integral x sin x into dx. Question number 2, integral x into sin 3x into dx. Question number 3, integral x square into e power x into dx. In that integral x sin x, first you have to decide what is f of x, what is g of x. This is algebraic function here, algebraic and trigonometric. In Euler formula, algebraic is coming first, trigonometric is coming next. So f of x is equal to x and g of x is equal to sin x. Okay, dear students. So f dash of x also calculate. F dash of x value is 1. Integral g of x anyway will calculate. So by using integration by parts, so we need to apply the formula directly. Integral x into sin x dx is equal to f of x. What is f of x in this? X into integral g of x, integral sin x into dx, minus integral f dash of x. F dash of x value is 1 into integral sin x dx whole dx. So which is equal to x into integral sin x is minus cos x, minus integral sin x is minus cos x, it will become plus cos x into dx, which is equal to minus x cos x. Integral cos x is what? Sin x plus c. So integration is over. Come to the question number 2. Here also x sin 3x same, but here x sin x, here sin 3x. This is algebraic, this is trigonometric. This is the first function, this is the second function. Here f of x is equal to x, f dash of x is equal to 1, and g of x is equal to sin 3x. Okay, dear students, we'll move on to by using integration by parts. By using integral by parts, integral x into sin 3x dx is equal to x into integral sin 3x dx minus integral f dash of x is 1 into integral sin 3x into dx whole dx, which is equal to x into integral sin 3x minus cos 3x divided by 3. We already done the number of problems based on integral sin x in the exercise 7.1, 7.2, dear students. Minus integral sin 3x dx, again minus no plus will come. Here cos 3x divided by 3 means 1 by 3 I am taking out, which is equal to minus x cos 3x divided by 3 plus 1 by 3 into integral cos 3x dx is sin 3x divided by 3 plus c. So we can simplify first, positive value will write it. Sin 3x divided by 9 minus x into cos 3x divided by 3 plus c. If you come to the question number 3, even this is algebraic, this is exponential. By applying eigenvalue formula, algebraic function is coming every time. First function, this is f, this is c. So by using integration by parts, by using integral by parts, x square into integral e power x dx minus integral f dash of x. Here f of x is equal to, I forgot to write this procedure. F dash of x is equal to 2x. So f dash of x into integral g of x, integral e power x dx whole dx, which is equal to x square into integral e power x is e power x minus 2, we can bring out x into integral e power x is e power x into dx. Again you have to apply integration by parts. X belongs to algebraic, e power x belongs to exponential. So x square into e power x minus 2 into key bracket. Again this is f of x. X into integral e power x dx minus integral f dash of x. X derivative is 1. Integral e power x dx whole dx, which is equal to x square e power x minus 2 into x into integral e power x is e power x minus integral e power x dx. So which is equal to x square into e power x minus 2 into x e power x minus integral e power x is e power x plus c. So from throughout e power x I am going to take common e power x into x square minus 2x plus 2 plus c. This is the required answer, dear students. Any doubts are there, write in the comment box. I will help you in my free time. And we will move to another set of questions. Those who are watching, please share and like this, students. Move to another question. Just I have given time for some students are copying or taking screenshots that answers. After that they can understand the students. That's why I am giving time for the preparation. Question number 4. Integral x log x. These type of questions are very important. Question number 5. Integral x into log 2x into dx. Question number 6. Integral x square log x into dx. Yeah, I will make it 2 videos, this one. Today some questions, another day another questions. Integral x log x into dx. CBSE 12th class, those who are CBSE, for them it will be utilized. X belongs to algebraic and log x belongs to logarithmic function. This is the coming first function, logarithmic is first function, f, algebraic is second function. First function, second function. So here f of x is equal to log x and g of x is equal to x. So f dash of x equal to dif by dx of log x is 1 by x only. So by using integration by parts, by using integral by parts, so integral x into log x dx is equal to f of x into integral g of x. F of x means what? Log x. Integral g of x means integral x dx minus integral f dash of x. Log x derivative is 1 by x. Integral x dx whole dx. Okay, dear students? So now log x. Integral x dx is x square by 2. Minus integral 1 by x into integral x dx is x square by 2 into dx. So one of the x cancel. So it will be equal to 1 by 2 times of log x into x square minus 1 by 2 into integral x dx. Integral x dx again you have to find out like 1 by 2 log x into x square minus 1 by 2 into integral x dx is x square by 2 plus c. So now take LCM or otherwise leave it like this only. X square by 2 into log x minus 1 by 2 into x square by 2 plus c. X square by 2 if you want to take common you can take, otherwise leave it like this only. The same type of question but log 2x is there, yes. Little difference will be there. This is the first function, this is the second function. Here f of x is equal to, please like and share dear students, it will reach more students. This is my sincere request to all my viewers. My motto is it will reach to most, especially rural area, those who are not having providing tuitions and all, for them it will be used. That is the reason I am doing. And g of x is equal to x. So by using integration by parts, integral x into log 2x dx equal to log 2x into integral x dx minus integral log 2x derivative is 1 by 2x. Again 2x derivative is 2. 2 it cancel. Integral x dx whole dx. Okay, dear students? So which is equal to log 2x into integral x dx is x square by 2. We cannot cancel. Log 2x is a function, dear students. We cannot cancel the 2. Minus integral 1 by x into integral x dx is x square by 2 into dx. So here x will cancel. So x square by 2 into log 2x minus 1 by 2 into integral x dx, which is equal to x square by 2 log of 2x minus 1 by 2 into integral x dx is x square by 2 plus c. If you want to take like previously, you can take it common, otherwise you can go ahead. Integral x square log x, logarithm is there, it is the first function, x square is second function. Here f of x is equal to log x and g of x is equal to x square. So integral x square into log x dx is equal to log x into integral x square dx minus integral f dash of x, log x derivative is 1 by x, into integral x square dx whole dx, which is equal to log x. Integral x square is x power 3 by 3 minus integral 1 by x into integral x square is x power 3 by 3 into dx. So here x power 3 by 3 into log x minus 1 by 3 into integral, here 1x is cancelled, x square into dx, which is equal to x power 3 by 3 into log x minus 1 by 3 into integral x square dx, x power 3 divided by 3 plus c. This is the way you can do this, students. We'll move on to another set of questions. I'm going to drop this. I will go to another set of questions. It will play a very important role, integration by parts, in the concept of integration, dear students. Not only in this, but in the definite integration also, we can use that. Okay, dear students. The coming questions are very good questions. Question number 7. Integral x into sine inverse x into dx. Question number 8. Integral x into tan inverse x into dx. It's a good question. These both are very important and which will be very integration by parts. In this, dear students, x is algebraic, inverse function is first function. I will become first function. Now this is f, this is g. So here f of x is equal to sine inverse x and g of x is equal to x. Okay. Now f dash of x is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square, dear students, f dash of x. By using integration by parts formula, I already beginning of the class I said, dear students. So integral x into sine inverse x is equal to f of x into, what is the f of x here? Sine inverse x into integral g of x, integral x dx minus integral f dash of x. What is f dash of x? 1 by root of 1 minus x squared. Next, integral x dx whole dx, which is equal to sine inverse x. Integral x dx is x squared by 2 minus integral 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Integral x dx is x squared by 2 into dx. From here, turning step, dear students, keep in mind and observe carefully. X squared by 2 into sine inverse x. Here, in place of minus, I am going to write plus 1 by 2. Integral this minus I am bringing into inside the square root, inside the integration symbol, by root over 1 minus x square into dx. Okay, dear students. After that, adding plus 1, subtracting minus 1. Here adding 1, subtracting. We will simplify x square by 2 into sine inverse x plus 1 by 2 into integral 1 minus x square by root of 1 minus x square plus into minus is minus integral 1 by 2 also will come 1 by root over 1 minus x square into dx. So x squared by 2 into sine inverse x plus 1 by 2 into x by root x means integral root over 1 minus x square into dx minus 1 by 2 integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square is sine inverse x itself plus c. We will simplify this and x square by 2 sine inverse x plus 1 by 2 into x by 2 root over 1 minus x square plus a square by 2 means 1 by 2 sine inverse x minus 1 by 2 sine inverse x plus c. So which is equal to x square by 2 sine inverse x plus x by 4 into root over 1 minus x square plus 1 by 4 into sine inverse x minus 1 by 2 sine inverse x plus c. From here 1 by 4 sine inverse means minus 1 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. What will come here? 1 minus 2 will be there. So minus 1. So x squared by 2 sine inverse x plus x by 4 root over 1 minus x square minus 1 by 4 into sine inverse x plus c. So this is the way we can do, dear students, integration by part. This type of question we may expect in intermediate term, not only CBSE but also intermediate public exam for 4 marks or 7 marks they will ask the questions. Sometimes 2 marks also. So here also f of x is equal to, this is f, this is g, tan inverse x, and g of x is equal to x, f dash of x equal to d by x of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square only now. So by using integration by parts, by using integral by parts, integral x into tan inverse x is dx equal to, first tan inverse x will come, f of x into integral x dx minus integral f dash of x 1 by 1 plus x square into integral x dx whole dx, which is equal to tan inverse x, integral x dx is x square by 2 minus integral 1 by 1 plus x square, integral x dx is x square by 2 into dx, which is equal to x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2, I am taking out, integral x square by 1 plus x square into dx. To solve this one, denominator is 1 plus x square, numerator also make in terms of denominator by adding and subtracting plus 1 and minus 1. X square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 integral x square plus 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square into dx, which is equal to x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 integral x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx, minus into minus is plus 1 by 2 integral 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. These two will be cancelled. X square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into integral dx plus 1 by 2 into integral 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. In the last step, this is x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into integral dx is x plus 1 by 2 into integral 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus c. I hope you understand, my students. We will move on to another set of questions. It will be helpful for not only CBSE 12th class but also for intermediate in TS and AP. Please share our channel to your friends and relatives wherever they are. It will utilize. Okay, we'll move on to another question. Next, cos inverse x also will come. Question number 9. Today we will integral x into cos inverse x into dx. Next, question number 10. Integral sin inverse x whole square into dx. We'll come to question number 9. Maximum I'll finish it till the question number 10. Okay. Here also, here f of x is equal to inverse function is first function and this is second function. Inverse trigonometry algebraic in the formula of highlight, f of x will become first function. Here f of x is equal to cos inverse x and g of x is equal to x. F dash of x equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So by using integration by parts, integral by parts, so integral x into cos inverse x dx equal to f of x means cos inverse x into integral g of x means x into dx minus integral f dash of x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square into integral dx whole dx. Okay. So cos inverse x into integral x dx is x square by 2 minus into minus is plus integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square integral x dx is x square by 2 into dx. Otherwise keep minus here also, nothing will happen. So now it will become x square by 2 into cos inverse x minus 1 by 2 integral adding and subtracting plus 1 and minus 1 divided by root 1 minus x square into dx. We are, this is minus x square, dear students. So we are adding and subtracting. So which is equal to x square by 2 into cos inverse x minus 1 by 2 into integral 1 minus x square by root 1 minus x square into dx plus 1 by 2 into integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx. So x square by 2 into cos inverse x minus 1 by 2 into integral root of 1 minus x square into dx plus 1 by 2 into integral 1 by root of 1 minus x sin inverse x. After that sin inverse x in terms of cos inverse x also we will convert by using the properties of inverse trigonometry. X square by 2 into cos inverse x minus 1 by 2 into t bracket x by 2 root over 1 minus x square plus 1 by 2 into sin inverse x plus 1 by 2 into sin inverse x plus c. So which is equal to x square by 2 into cos inverse x minus x by 4 root of 1 minus x square minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So minus plus 1 by 4. Why? Because the plus 1 by 2 now. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So it will be 1 by 4 only, dear students. So 1 by 4 sin inverse x plus c. If you want this one in terms of cos inverse x, we have the formula cos inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. This pi by 2 also will convert in terms of c. So x square by 2 cos inverse x minus x by 4 into root of 1 minus x square 1 by 4 into pi by 2 minus sin inverse x plus c. So pi by 2 into 1 by 4 pi by 8 also considering into constant. X square by 2 into cos inverse x minus x by 4 into root 1 minus x square minus 1 by 4 into sin inverse x plus the remaining pi by 8 and c will become treated as a constant. I hope you understand this, students. We will move to another set of questions. This we can treat as integral sin inverse x whole square into 1 into dx. This is g of x, this is f of x. So first here f of x equal to, we already done in the beginning of the video, dear students. Why we are taking as 1? F dash of x equal to 2 into sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square. G of x equal to 1. So by using integration by parts, f of x into sine inverse x whole square into integral 1 into dx minus integral f dash of x 2 into sine inverse x divided by root over 1 minus x square into integral 1 into dx whole dx. So sine inverse x whole square, integral dx is x minus 2, we can take outside. Integral dx is x sine inverse x by root of 1 minus x square into dx. So how to evaluate these type of problems? Put sine inverse x is equal to some theta, x is equal to sine theta, dx is equal to cos theta d theta. Okay, dear students? So this as usual, x into sine inverse x whole square minus 2 into integral x value is sine theta, sine inverse x value is theta by root over 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square means root of 1 minus sine square theta. So it will be cos theta. Cos theta into dx value is cos theta d theta. These two will be cancelled. Again integration by parts. X into sine inverse x whole square minus 2 into. This is looking like x into sine x. First problem of this exercise we did, dear students. So in this here f of theta is theta, algebraic first, trigonometry is next. G of theta is equal to sine theta. So f of theta, theta into integral sine theta d theta minus integral theta derivative is 1 with respect to theta, integral sine theta d theta whole d theta. Okay, which is equal to x into sine inverse x whole square minus 2 into theta value sine inverse x. Integral sine theta d theta is minus cos theta minus integral sine theta is minus cos theta means minus cos theta plus into d theta. That is equal to x into sine inverse x whole square minus 2 into cos theta, we can write it as minus root 1 minus x square into sine inverse x plus integral cos theta is sine theta plus c. Sine theta is what? X, which is equal to x into sine inverse x whole square minus 2 into minus is plus, we can do it root of 1 minus x square into sine inverse x minus 2 sine theta plus c. In place of theta, sine theta, you can replace with x. X into sine inverse x whole square plus 2 into root over 1 minus x square into sine inverse x minus 2x plus c. This is the way you can give the students the answers. These type of questions are there in the, at least 11 questions we will finish it, then it will be easy for you now, almost. Please dear students, you can share to your friends and relatives also, then only what I am doing the hard work for you people, it will be useful, dear students. Thank you dear students for watching our channel. Those who are seeing or watching first time, please like and share. Then it will reach us to more students. My aim is these videos will reach to rural areas of India, anywhere it will be. Why? Because I am teaching in English. That is the reason everywhere most of the students they are able to understand. Please do like and share to our channel. Thank you for your support. Jai Hind. Math, JEE, CBSE classes, Panindra math classes. Thank you, dear students. Tomorrow we will meet again at the same time by 6:30 to 7:30.